Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Walmart Spring Beauty Box. So let's just jump right in. I don't even want to introduce anything. So first things first, we have a Beauty for All. We will look at this later because it shows you everything that you could get on the back. Let's not look. Okay, first thing I see is this bottle of vitamin C. Girl, if she want to focus. Vitamin C facial serum. That is awesome. I've actually been looking for something like this. That is awesome. Cool. And this is might even be full size, so that is really awesome. All right, so next thing I see is this one of those. Yes, another one of these. This one's golden cherry at least. The electrolyte drink mix. Honestly, I was getting annoyed with these, but if I ever get COVID, or if anyone in my family ever gets COVID, here's some electrolyte powder. So you can't even be too mad at that. So next thing, I'm kind of interested in this bag. Whoa, okay. So this is just plain old Garnier Fructis. I never know how to pronounce it. A shampoo and conditioner. Sorry for my shaky hand. I'm weak right now. That, I don't actually mind that because I need shampoo and I haven't purchased any recently, but this says non-frizzy and I am having some frizzy hair at the moment, so I will actually try that and see how that works. Next thing looks like a lipstick. So we have a lip bar. I think it's a lipstick. That is interesting. Can I open this one-handed? Not me struggling. My left hand is shaky, if you can tell. I don't know why. I think it's because I was just outside walking and it's very hot. Well, it was very hot out there. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay. So I guess it's like a lip stain. Can I open this? I'm so confused. I don't know what this is. Okay, I think I just opened it wrong. But that's cool. I don't really use lip products, but I'll try it. So the next thing, we have a little sample of CoverGirl Weightless Water Cream. Not gonna lie, I don't hate this. Yeah, it'll be nice just to try. It's summertime, so nothing wrong with trying some products. And then we have a holographic foil eye mask. Depuffs and brightens. Honestly, I don't hate this. I don't hate that either. So that was everything I got. Out of 10, I would rate it like, I would say like an 8. I actually really liked a lot of those products we got. So let's look what we could have gotten. So we got this, we got the CoverGirl. We could have got some CeraVe. I actually just purchased a full size of this, so I'm glad we didn't get that. I would have been mad. That would have been cool to try. I would have loved an eyebrow pencil. I love eyebrow products, but I never want to spend money on it, so that would have been really awesome to get. We got that. I'm glad we didn't get that because we got the full size one. I think that's what we got. Hair care minis, that would have been cute because those look cute. Press on nails, I mean, I wouldn't have minded. We did get that. That is awesome. I really like that product. We could have got hand sanitizer. I got that last time. I actually really like it. So we could have got chapstick. Chapstick could have been awesome. Oh, and then it says, don't see your product here. Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. Which, if you take a look, was this. This was not on here. Was this Maybelline? Is this Maybelline? This is not Maybelline. So this is something else that also wasn't on here. So we got 2 products that wasn't on the list. I'm actually not mad at all. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what you got, if you liked what I got or whatever. Definitely a fun month. A lot of, I would say, taking a look at everything. We have like a lip, we have an eye, a skin, a hair, and a skin, and then I guess a drink. I definitely think this fits the spring box, so 8 out of 10, but for my happiness, 10 over 10. I actually really like everything. It was worth the $7, so yeah, thanks for watching.